They have live fish. Wait, the other one is striped bass. Live fish, guys, that you can buy here. And look at the live lobster. Yeah, look at the lobster, guys, live. If you want lobster, $17.99 a pound. Oh. Yeah. This is new, guys. This is not. Oh, look at all the crabs. I'm gonna go over here. Huh? Oh, really? Yeah, look at these crabs, guys. No, I don't want crabs. Oh, they have already cooked crabs here, guys. See? $20. $20 for the crabs. They have blue crabs that are cooked.